Hello guys, I'm here to show you the Windows Hello pin. If you hate remembering your password or having to reset it, this is a game changer. So your first job is head over to your desktop, right click on your start menu, head to settings, head to accounts, sign in options, and there you go, right in the middle, Windows Hello pin. It's one of the recommended options. You just hit add and get to type in your password for your account. Right, type in your pin. We recommend at least a 6-digit pin. There we go. It's okay. And that is Hello Pin in Windows. See you next time, tutorial fans.